Hey, good morning. Happy Monday, April 3rd. So what's going on? Well, quickly, President Trump's been indicted. Gwyneth Paltrow came out victorious in the lawsuit with Terry Sanderson. She won $1 in attorney's fees going back to 2016. Wow, what could that be? Black Hawk Down, the helicopter in Kentucky. And baseball's back. And in honor of baseball back, I have on my Chicago White Sox tie. New rules in baseball. Batters have 8 seconds to be in the box facing the pitcher. I don't know what consequences are if they violate that. Pitchers have 15 seconds to throw the ball. If a man's on base, they have 20 seconds. If they violate that, the batter is given a ball. Other thing is bases have gone from, I think, 15 inches to 18 inches, which means they're about 4 inches closer to each other, which should result from minor league history play of about 12 to 13% fewer injuries and maybe more stolen bases or more excitement on the field. Anyway, let's get to today's topic. A short time ago, I received an email from my EDE. Remember, EDE for us stands for Enhanced Direct Enroller, talking about Social Security numbers that they are now required. Yeah, so my EDE is used to enroll people in the marketplace. It's used to enroll people in the senior citizen marketplace. It's also used as a one-stop location for me to be able to service you better. It keeps all your files and records in there through the website. But the only thing it doesn't do is property and casualty. Property and casualty things like your auto, your home, your umbrella. It also can be for recreational vehicles like boats, motorcycles, camping trailers, and things of that nature. But that's what I use my EDE for. So yes, now our EDEs are requiring Social Security numbers when we open up a file on you and a policy is purchased. So why are your Social Security numbers so important to you? Well, Social Security numbers are used to run credit reports. They also help tell us whether or not you can afford the policy that you're applying for. They also can be used to track claims. So with that information, Social Security numbers are very, very important. Let's take a moment here and look and see what happens when you give me your Social Security number. Individual account. Let's see what happens. We put the Social Security number in. Let's put in 111223456, and then we just hit save. And you can see now, here's the Social Security number. The last 4 digits are there. All the other information on that Social Security number has gone away. The only thing that appears is your last 4 digits of your Social Security number. Usually those Social Security numbers go in there and then they're encrypted into some crazy form that we don't even get to see. But I'm sure you're familiar with this in the sense that when you go to a restaurant and you get your receipt, or even at the grocery store, whatever, the last 4 digits of your credit card appear, and then in many cases when you're using electronic funds transfer, the last 4 digits of your checking account appears on those statements. So this shouldn't be something that's unfamiliar to you. So you see the information's in with the EDE, and now you're ready to apply. So the EDE takes us directly to an insurance company. Sometimes the insurance companies can't grab, for whatever reason, that information out of the EDE, so we have to ask you for that again. I'm sorry, the Lord didn't bless me with perfect memory, so be patient with me if I have to ask for that again. The other thing is, come on, let's be honest. You are entrusting us with your personal health history, your financial information, your personal identifiable information. You should expect us, without question, to behave professionally and to trust that your information is secure. Expect it and demand it. And consequences if we violate that confidence. So without the fraud, waste, and abuse, with the money laundering that's taking place, and knowing that 9/11 was funded a lot in part by insurance products and people buying these products, these are some of the reasons why this information is necessary. Anyway, I hope this helps out. If you have any questions about what goes on with your personal information, numbers at the bottom of the screen. Don't hesitate to give me a call, or your agent that you might be working with. If we're afraid to answer those questions, then yes, you should be concerned. Hey, what's going on at the MLD Agency? Well, we were able to finalize a group policy. We helped 2 people get enrolled in their Medicare programs. One person saved $45 a month on his insurance premiums. Dave and Deborah stopped by, and we wrote a finder's fee check to Linda for referring her husband Brian to us. Anyway, that's what's going on with the MLD Agency. I hope this finds you well. Until next week.